What if something older than our sun just visited our solar system and we still don't know what it really is? An interstellar object called 3I Atlas recently passed its closest points to Earth. It came from outside our solar system, moved incredibly fast, and confused scientists all over the world. The big question everyone is asking is simple. What is it really? It is just a natural space rock or something far more unusual. Today we will break this mystery down in very simple words. Part 1. Did we get clear photos? Many people ask, where are the clear, detailed images? The truth is, we don't have sharp photos of its surface. And the reason is important. 3I Atlas is not a white object. It is surrounded by a huge cloud of gas and dust called a coma. This cloud is hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide, much bigger than Earth. Because of this thick gas layer, telescopes see light, they see brightness, they see movement, but they can't see the solid core directly. Even powerful telescopes like Hubble and James Webb cannot see through that cloud. Part 2. So how do scientists study it? When we can't see something clearly, scientists use math and physics. They study how its brightness changes, how fast it rotates, how light reflects off it, what chemicals are present in the gas. From these clues, they build models. These are not guessed or drawing on for fun. They are shapes created using real data. The light pattern suggests that 3I Atlas is not round. It may be long, stretched or irregular, similar to the earlier interstellar object Oumuamua. Part 3. How big is this thing? This is where the debate starts. Some scientists say it may be a few hundred meters wide. Others say it could be several kilometers wide. Why such a big difference? Because size depends on reflectivity, also called albedo. Here is a simple example. A small shiny object can look bright. A large dark object can look equally bright. From far away, they look the same. So brightness alone cannot tell us size unless we know how reflective the surface is. Part 4. The color clue. Telescopes show that 3I Atlas look dark red. This color is common in very old objects exposed to radiation for billions of years. Red usually means organic material, dirty eyes, very low reflectivity, If it is dark and bright in our telescopes, then it must be large. That's why some scientists believe it could be much bigger than official estimates. Part 5 is, why does it behave strangely? Scientists noticed slight changes in speed, gas jets pointing in odd directions, and unusual dust tail. Most comet behaves predictably, but interstellar objects sometimes don't. We saw this before with Oumuamua, which showed acceleration that is still debated today. This does not mean aliens, but it does mean our models are incomplete. Part 6. What happened next? The best answers are still coming. In the next month, space telescopes will analyze its chemistry. Scientists will watch how gravity affects its path. Data will help confirm its mass, shape, and composition. A close gravitational interaction with Jupiter will be especially important. If it moves exactly as predicted, it is likely natural. If not, scientists will need new explanations. So in conclusion, what it is 3i Atlas? Right now we can honestly say it is real, it is interstellar, it is very old, and it is not fully understood yet. That alone makes it fascinating. Science does not fear mystery. It studies it, and sometimes the most exciting discovery begin with one simple sentence, we don't know yet. If you enjoy Space Explained in simple words, subscribe, like and share this video. The universe always has more questions waiting.